Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, hi viewers. Let's start our discussion of SAP Business 1. We are on purchase cycle purchasing AP. We have discussed up to AP down payment. Today is the turn of AP invoice. Let me open. This is the form AP invoice. When we click, it is the screen we see with these particulars. AP invoice, account payable invoice. डायरेक्ट एपी इनवाइस पंच करने का तरीका यहाँ पे आके आप टैब प्रेस करें, आपके पास ये वेंडर्स की लिस्ट आ जाएगी। इसी सेशन में या नेक्स्ट में हमने वेंडर्स को क्रिएट करने का मेथड भी सीखना है कि वेंडर्स कैसे क्रिएट किए जाते हैं। अभी हम इसी को लेके चल रहे हैं। सपोज दिस इज़ द वेंडर, चूज इट। ये दो एक चीज़ें देखनी ज़रूरी हैं, वेंडर का कोड, नेम, करेंसी। स्टेटस ओपन होगा हमेशा, तो ही हम इसमें एंट्री कर सकते हैं। आइटम हम सिलेक्ट करते हैं इसमें। आइटम सेलेक्ट की, वी आर selecting this one item each time. So this is the item, this one is a quantity, we have the choice to choose it. Text code, if it is applicable then it's okay, otherwise we can remove it in this way. So this is the posting date. Today is 21st, suppose. You can't change the document after you have added it. I don't want to edit. It was only a practice session कि मैनुअली तौर पे एपी इनवाइस हम इस तरह से डायरेक्टली जनरेट कर सकते हैं। ये इसकी अमाउंट है, यहाँ से इसको हम किया जा सकता है, बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सेव इट। वी वांट टू सी इट इन अ सीक्वेंस। मैं इसको सेव नहीं करूँगा। मैंने कहा जी नो, आई डोंट वांट टू सेव इट, आई एम क्लोजिंग इट। इफ़ यू रिमेंबर our previous lecture of good receipt PO, after that was good return request and good return। इसमें हमने good return की request भी डाली थी, good return भी डाली थी। I am going directly on good receipt PO, and last one good receipt PO was, let me click this one. We want actually this one, 80. If you remember, we returned two dozen items from this good receipt PO, and the remaining was 78. Basically, this is the sequence of creating AP invoice if we are following all the rules of our accounting and ERP. Good receipt PO, then down copy to AP invoice. I clicked AP invoice. You can see 78 quantity. 2 we returned in good return request, and then good return, if you remember in our last lecture. So this is 28, 78 quantity remaining. All the particulars we know are fulfilled automatically. It brought here vendor name, all these things are automatically. Status open, exempt, unit price, all these things are present and before us. So if now this we want to save it, enter. You can't change the document, okay, then enter. Operation successfully completed. It is the method of AP invoice creating. A direct method I told you, then I told you the method in sequence. Both method we can follow, but most preferable method is to follow it in a sequence. I think you have understood the AP invoice. We have already seen AP down payment invoice, in which we saw how to pay it. That method will also applicable here, but we will see it in the next session how this AP invoice will be paid to the vendor. I hope you have understood AP invoice creation. Take care.